say you're homeless. You're starting to get homeless, right? And you are like, well, I need something to cook in, but I don't have like a whole lot of money. You know, you know, what would you recommend? Honestly, this handsome little thing. There is a little pour spout, which I should actually get. Say you can't afford $20 to get the Wildfire 2-cup cook set. Okay? That's okay. Because this is a good... By the way, I started using this actually because like Force and Force. So I saw the one that he had was like a crap ton of money. I was like, this is the same thing. It's stainless steel, has a pour spout, and on the other end of this, by the way, this is a strainer that you can open up and right? So if you're cooking noodles, bam, right? Now, say you have this, right? And you're like, okay, I have Dollar Tree or whatever, right? Okay, so let's go. Let's go pan. Okay. Um. Now, say like, well, you know, or like, well, I need just a little thing to bake in or whatever, cook in or whatever. Yeah, something like this, or this, the cake pan, whatever, or like this, which, or that, even for survival, Then I would recommend, if it's actually still on here, this. If you want a nice, this is on cooking, okay? Just cheapo cooking stuff. A cooking concept metal cooling rack. This can be used as a grill. To where, have it over a fire, put this on here, right? You can go to Walmart. By the way, I will show you how to make a thing. What? Let me just say this real quick. Stainless steel wipes. But I do believe... Okay, so yeah. One thing that's been a staple of, the pot and whatever type thing, especially with the 2-cup cook systems, is this. This is the same thing as GSI, okay? Without the GSI. It works. Okay? You put that on here. Bam. Right? With this, what have you, Then you can, if you want, you can get this for $9, Comes with a fork and a spoon, which you can actually use separately if you need to. Get this one. Get this option, not this option. This is a regular camp knife. So you're like, okay, I'm pretty sure this will open whatever, but you can go to Dollar Tree to get something too, right? Oh, here is a spoiler. Yeah. Okay? I'm gonna do something like this. Okay? I'm gonna do what would I, if I had to be on a budget, what would I get to help me with cooking, with what have you? Okay? I'm gonna do that. Possibly, Tuesday's the 3rd, right? No. Wait, what? Let me see when I have my appointment. That'd be really good to see. April 3rd, which is a Thursday at 2 p.m. That's, you know, the appointment that I would need to get. Will do. But yeah, if you can afford the $20, get the Wildfire Go 2-cup cook set. It comes with 2 cups. I actually have both the cups and the one I'm using as a thing. Now let me show you how to make a hobo stove with this hobo stove, okay? Let me tell you. Silverware strainer, okay? Something like this. This is what you'll be wanting to do. Okay? Something like this. IKEA or whatever, right? Then you get, say, I don't know how much. This is Eagle. I'm looking up Eagle Claw because I want to get something from Eagle Claw too. So that has the lead on it. That's all lead, by the way. Let you know. Okay, so 2-cup cooking cook set. See how much that is compared to. Okay, so compared to $25. Okay, you can get the what? I got a good deal then, because this is why is this $15 for the 2 cups? Okay, so that now. Okay. Single wall cup. Okay. Something like this should be perfect. Okay. What you do is with that. You get a toilet roll. Okay, you get 70 to 91% alcohol. Okay. Also, which is, what I have in the thing. You take out the cardboard center we put onto the toilet paper roll thing. You put the toilet paper into here. Put in a good amount of the isopropyl alcohol. Okay? By the way, make sure that this is smaller than the strainer that you're using. The utensil strainer or whatever. Trust me. Okay? Because you want to be able to put the next item on top. Tent pegs. Let's look up Coglins, because that's going to be cheapest. Coglins. Okay? Now something like this. Something like this. Okay, so oh yeah, 98 cents. This. I recommend this. Okay? So you're going to be putting these on or inside the top. Okay, so yeah, get this. It's a tent. I wish they didn't do that. Okay, so yeah. So, tent peg, right? It's a buck. It's under $1, right? You can use it for the, what you're going to do with this is, say you have this. You're going to put this on top of 2 of these. That's on top of the thing. It will stand. It will be good. Because, these right here will be on, it will be pressed against the strainer. Okay? Okay? Now, yeah, you can get this too, which I do recommend too, because it's light, Now, See if they have any bigger ones. Yes, they do. Okay. But yeah, things like this right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have the 2 tent pegs on top of these 2 things right here. Okay. I want to see how much the IKEA one is. If you're gonna fish, by the way, it's Unex. I would get this since it has these are weights. Okay. It would be better if you know. Yes, I'm looking for that. So I want to see how much they cost so I can get more. Because I like those. Let's see if they have them. Okay, good. They have a 3-pack, which is probably like different ones. The one I have is the IKEA one, which costs a crap load. Because IKEA. Let's see if I can do IKEA to see what that brings up. I said IKEA. I said IKEA. Eevee. But yeah. Looks like no. Yeah. You can probably get something like this too. Yeah. But I would recommend a big version of the one I just showed you on Walmart, like this. Is this like the one I had? I think it's like the one I had. I believe it is. But yeah. Something like this, because the tent pegs are going to be right here anyway. You know? So they're going to be good to have. Okay? By the way, I would recommend that you get this. By the way, if this is just for a different thing. I would recommend that you get this. Because it's, right now, for the spring sale, it's $20.30. Which means it's going to be $1. It's going to come out to $1 less. Yes, it's the one that has the portable aqua in it. So yeah. But anyway. Get a strainer like this, okay? A big strainer, like y'all saw on my thing. What you call it? The video that I did. Something like this would be nice too. Actually. You know, let's get a strainer, okay? Ooh, it's coming with chopsticks. Holy crap. I want that. But yeah. You can also get the one thing that I'm showing you, the, where'd it go? It's something like, you can probably do that too for the strainer. Kickings. Tip-pigs. Yeah. So yeah, like something like this, okay? Now you can actually put toilet paper in. I would keep toilet paper with you. It says single wall. Make sure it is single wall. Seriously, single. The most important part for something like this will be single wall. You know what? Let me just recommend this. Let me just recommend this to use as the thing. I recommend this to use as a thing. I'm pretty sure you can get this for cheaper. Let's see if they actually have cheaper options. Use like new, which if you're going to use it as a thing, you could get use like new, if need be, for probably cheaper, a couple bucks cheaper. Look around. Look around. Okay? I have that, by the way. I haven't got to use it yet. I am going to use it, though. Yeah, I would just recommend something like this because it is single-walled, okay? If you have that extra little money, get this. Now, and also look if there's actually a coupon code, because usually a coupon thing. The 4 items of this. This is single-walled. I know this. It's good quality. Yeah, just get this. Spend that extra little money on that for your cooking. So yeah, I've showed you how to do a hobo stove, like from items. So yeah, I can do this, as I said, on the 3rd. Okay? So yeah, anyway. Next will be hygiene for brush your teeth, what have you. Anyway, this has been Post-Apocalyptic Survival, helping survive in the wasteland. God bless.